everyone, this is Sahil and you are watching Travelog. In this video we are gonna talk about South Korea. So now without wasting any of your precious time, let's get started with the video. South Korea, officially named as the Republic of Korea, is a country in East Asia constituting the southern part of the Korean peninsula and sharing a land border with North Korea. 25 million people, around half of the country's population of more than 51 million people, lives in the Seoul capital area, which is the fifth largest metropolitan area in the world. The Korean peninsula was inhabited as early as the Paleolithic period. Its first kingdom was noted in Chinese records in early 7th century BCE. Following the unification of the three kingdoms of Korea into Silla and Balhae in the late 7th century, Korea was ruled by the Goryeo dynasty in 918 to 1392 and the Joseon dynasty in 1392 to 1897. The succeeding Korean Empire was annexed into the Empire of Japan in 1910. After World War II, Korea was divided into Soviet and US administered zones, with the later becoming the Republic of Korea in August 1948. In 1950, a North Korean invasion began the Korean War, and after its end in 1953, the country's economy began to soar, recording the fastest rise in average GDP per capita in the world between 1980 and 1990. The joint struggle led to the end of authoritarian rule in 1987, and the country is now considered among the most advanced democracies in Asia, with the second highest level of press freedom. However, corruption and political scandals remains a serious problem, with half of all living former South Korean presidents currently in prison for various crimes ranging from abuse of authority, bribery, and embezzlement. South Korea is a highly developed country, ranking as the third highest country on the Human Development Index in Asia. It is a member of OECD's Development Assistance Committee, the G20, and the Paris Club. Its economy ranks as the world's 10th largest by nominal GDP. Its citizens enjoys one of the world's fastest internet connection speeds. The country is world's 5th largest exporter and 8th largest importer. In 2017, South Korea was the world's 7th largest emitter of carbon emissions and 5th largest emitter per capita. Since the 21st century, South Korea has been renowned for its influential pop culture, K-pop, TV dramas and cinemas, a phenomenon referred to as the Korean wave. If you guys are interested to know more about South Korea, Seoul and North Korea, then comment below. If you enjoy watching this video, then like this video, comment, share the video with your friends and relatives, and for sure, do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and set it to all for latest updates. Thank you for joining me in this video. Hope to meet you guys soon again in the next upcoming videos.